Some survey sites let you request a payout the same day you finish enough surveys, while others make you wait days or even weeks before releasing your money. Picking the right platform saves time just as much as it earns money. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 survey sites that are known for fast payouts, what makes each one different, and which type of user each platform fits best. Starting with iPrime, Opinion.org. This is one of the fastest growing survey platforms because it focuses on short surveys, frequent availability, and multiple withdrawal options. After creating an account, complete your profile honestly so the system matches you with better surveys. Once you reach the required redemption level, many users report receiving digital gift cards or supported payment methods the same day they cash out, depending on the option they choose and their region. Next is A5 Surveys. The idea is simple. Complete 5 qualifying surveys, then redeem your reward. You don't have to calculate different point values after every survey, which makes it easier to track your progress. If you're looking for a straightforward earning system instead of a complicated points program, this is one of the easiest platforms to understand. Third is Zencash. Besides traditional surveys, it regularly adds small earning opportunities inside the app. New surveys appear throughout the day, so checking back at different times can increase your chances of finding available studies. Many users choose Heycash because the payout process is designed to be quick once redemption requirements are met. Fourth option is Jotapoly. This app is popular because it shows estimated survey length before you begin. That helps you avoid spending 15 minutes on a low-value survey when a shorter option is available. The app also sends notifications when new surveys match your profile, making it easier to earn consistently without constantly refreshing the app. Finally, there's eSurveyPoppy. The interface is simple, registration takes only a few minutes, and new users can start answering surveys shortly after signing up. Survey availability depends on your location and demographics, but the app is designed to make earning and requesting payouts as straightforward as possible. The biggest takeaway is this: fast payouts only matter if you also qualify for enough surveys. Complete your profile accurately, check for new surveys throughout the day, and use more than one platform instead of relying on a single app. If you're looking for the quickest route to your first payout, start with one of these sites today, compare your results, and keep the one that consistently gives you the most survey opportunities. If this video helped you find a faster paying survey site, give it a like and subscribe for more ways to earn money online in 2026.